Me I say when me feel for sad. Say what you feel for sad.
Welcome back to another Keneishasays. Welcome back to another video, guys. What you're looking at right now, you'll be like, what is going on? Well, this is an attempted video. I went to BJ's. This is all the stuff that you're looking at, guys. Yeah, it was a huge grocery haul. I took this for it to be like a thumbnail, but that didn't happen. So I'm just giving you a highlight to show you that I started this. I wanted to do a huge grocery haul with you guys because I'm like, you know what, this could be a nice content. But as I said before, that did not happen. So what you're looking at right now, we had 2 vehicles that went to the supermarket. 2 vehicles. Yes, the house was empty. When I say empty, the house was empty. We had nothing up in here, okay? Damn. So you just saw the car full of stuff. You saw my husband's pickup truck full of stuff. Now you're looking in the pantry. Now this is the refrigerator downstairs, the freezer, and then you're going to be seeing the bottom of the fridge, and then you're going to be seeing the basement fridge, and then you're going to see the fridge upstairs. So we had so much stuff that we needed to get, some additional stuff that we needed to get from the Caribbean store and Stop and Shop as well. But girl, we got no space to put it. Where we gonna put it? Where we gonna put it? No, we got no space. But I'm still just showing you, just to let you know that, hey, I'm not lying. I had an idea. It just didn't come to fruition, okay? But it was there, okay? They said it's a thought that counts. All right? Okay. All right, so just continue looking at all the crazy stuff that I have here. And then the next day, in the same week, this all happened. This happened on Monday. Today's Thursday. As I'm posting this video, I'm editing it as we speak, okay? I started doing, like, I wanted to show you guys how I'm washing, how Jamaicans actually wash like nice, like we don't put it in washing machine or stuff like that. We wash outside, and me and Tavania were actually washing them outside. So I started off by like saying, okay, let me just do this video too. Well, that didn't happen either. So instead, what did this video turn into? This video turned into a wash and what do you call it? A routine wash, a rush routine, washing my daughter's hair routine, on a, like, how I wash my daughter's hair, how I treat my daughter's hair, something like that. We're gonna work with that. So you get a gist. If you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe, like this video, comment under the comment section, and share. And yes, I'm looking rough because this is how I feel, and you're gonna get it raw me. So get used to it. Okay. All right. Bye. Alright, so I had already removed the braids from my daughter's hair the night before. Yeah, the night before. So basically, I just put in like in 2 granny plots, as we would call it. And, you know, Tavana hair is just going to be tangled. So right now, I'm just trying to not necessarily detangle it because it's going to hurt her like, whoa. So I'm just trying to get like, you know, get most of the knots out, if that makes sense. And just start shampooing her hair. Alright, so as you can see, guys, this is the Aveeno shampoo and conditioner. So it's 2 in 1. So this is basically like the second round of shampoo, but technically conditioning, if you get the gist. So I'm doing this one more time, and then I'm about to add the mask to her hair and let it sit for like 30 minutes before I wash it out.
20 minutes later.
Technically, it's around 30 minutes, but you get the gist. Right now, I'm just kind of doing something. I'm not coming it out completely, but I'm trying to detangle it as much as possible before I wash it out, because Tabana here just, it marries to tangling. Like it just have a thing for tangling, like real quick. So yeah, so I'm trying to detangle it a little bit, then I'm gonna wash it out. So I'm now adding the Batana oil leave-in conditioner to Tivani's hair. And to be honest, since I've been using these products, they have been working tremendously, because Tivani hair was falling out. I think that was the last conversation we had about her hair. It was falling out. She was having bald spots. Like I didn't know what was going on. We did get some prescribed shampoo. Yeah, I can't remember the name of it right now, but we did get a shampoo. I think I showed you that before as to what I was using. That's been done. Since I started using the Avena Kids, that's been very helpful as well, because it's a little bit softer on her hair. And so the Batana oil products, I have the oil, I have the leave-in conditioner, I have the mask, I have the regular drop oil as well, and I've been using these and it's been working crazy on her hair. To be honest, it's been really working. Alright, so now we're finished with the washing part of it. Let's treat her hair. So we have the Avena Kids detangler that we're using right now. This is miracle. Okay, when I tell that this works miracle, it works miracle on Tivani's hair. So we're doing a basic protective style in Tivani's hair. We're not doing anything too crazy. I just want to make sure that it's neat, that she can actually go to school, and that I don't have to be jumping in her hair every single day to comb it to go to school. So she's on spring break right now. I'm just want to do something very simple and very subtle, so nothing too crazy. this is the finished product, and of course my daughter is flaunting her stuff to show you guys what's going on because she's a modeler, okay? But before we go, guys, please go ahead and subscribe, like the video, comment down in the comment section, and share if you haven't already done so. And I just want to show you a prime example as to how Tavania here was and what I'm trying to get back to. Thanks for watching, guys, and until later, bye.
Me, I say when me feel for say, say what you feel for say.